Hi, I've done some pretty fun things with Sketchbook School, but I think this brand new workshop is pretty rad, and I'm thrilled to share it with you. I've been living and working as an artist here in my hometown in Brooklyn, New York, and drawing the city for many years, and I can't think of a better place to have this creative drawing workshop than right here in New York City in my backyard, which is so dynamic and expansive, has so much to capture, that I'm often drawing bigger and on a broader scale to visually describe it. So I want to invite you to join me in my new live 3-hour drawing workshop to make a panoramic drawing. I'm going to show you how to create an awesome wide-angle 180-degree panoramic drawing in mixed media that is well balanced and using all kinds of elements of good design and composition and storytelling. We're going to break down the entire process from beginning to end and talk about all the steps needed to begin your panoramic drawing. But most importantly, you're going to have a blast doing this. So we're going to go big. I can't wait. Join me on April 2nd for our panoramic drawing workshop right there at Sketchbook School.